Hello everyone. So I realised today is Christmas Day. I just wanted to do a quick little video, just really to say Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you're having a good time with family, friends, loved ones, whoever that might be. So I won't keep you long. Yeah, that's really all it was about. I just wanted to thank everyone for the support throughout the whole year, all the videos that you've watched, the comments, good or bad. It all helps towards what I do with these cars, and helps and gives me the opportunity to do what I'm doing, which is exactly what you see on the camera. It's not been the best year, in terms of like growth for the channel, but most of that's probably that is down to me. In all fairness, I've had quite a few spells of illness and stuff really this year, and that stopped me doing videos for decent spells of time, and YouTube likes consistency. So a New Year's resolution is try to be a lot more consistent with my uploads and my content, and I do want to get back to the 3 videos a week, like we were doing. And like I said, I do read most comments. I know I don't always reply, so that's something else I really need to try and get a bit better at, spending a bit of time replying, because at the end of the day you guys take your time to watch my videos and post comments, so it's only fair that I try and do my best and at least reply to as many as I can. So especially over the Christmas break I'll try to do a bit more of that, and next year, like I said, be a bit more active in the comments maybe. I'm hoping next year is going to be just a progression of what we've done this year, but more videos, more content. I'm starting to now get the gist of what I should and shouldn't be buying. I have definitely this last 12 months bought a lot of things I shouldn't have, and struggled to get rid of. But also I do want to still buy the entertaining, the exciting cars, because that's what gets me, the fire in my belly burning, you know what I mean? But I still enjoy doing stuff like this. I still do enjoy it, and you've got to turn them around it's like your bread and butter, innit? So yeah, thank you very much for everything this year. I'll give you a quick update with everything that's in the unit, and a question I've seen a few people ask. I did forget to update you on the outside air temp sensor on the ST200. I haven't actually fit it yet, but I know the issue. I'm going to sneeze. Oh, it's gone. Got a little bit of sniffles at the minute, which I know a lot of people have. I know Mark's a bit unwell at the moment, Resurrect Autos UK, so if you see this, Mark, I hope you're feeling a bit better. Anyway, outside air temperature sensor is the wrong one. This is the correct one, so that will sort the issue. I just haven't got around to doing it. I got a bit excited during this last week because I got another car, put it on the ramp, and forgot to fit that before I took the ST200 off. Right, I'm going to spin round, we'll just have a quick update on what's in the unit, and then like I said, I'm going to let you get back to your families, your friends, and looking forward to the new year. So we all know ST200, that is finished, barring just putting that sensor in. I need to blow my nose, I'm sorry. One moment. Okay, yeah, the ST200 is finished, and this EcoSport is finished. I'm not going to say much about that because, well, I'll tell you in a moment why. So the ST200 is finished. I just haven't put it up for sale properly because over the Christmas period I don't want to be messing with people wanting to come see it and stuff, so it's just waiting pending to be washed in the new year, and then I'll get it up for sale. The S1, same old story with the S1. I still haven't got round to trying the few bits that a guy called Miles has told me to try with the wiring. I think it's going to work, in all fairness, so hopefully that's going to be definitely a January job. The other one, still struggling with parts, honestly. This corner bumper, perhaps should give Audi a ring and see if they do have one, or they can get one. What I've been thinking with this one, I don't know whether to, because of the problem with this part, whether to pull the side out, fill it and repair it, and then it's a running and driving car now. I may just let it go and let someone else take the project on. I'm not too sure, because I don't want to get back into the same situation where I've got cars sat around doing nothing, because again, this has been here over 6 weeks, maybe even 8th of November I got this, so it's getting on for, well, it's 7 weeks, and I don't think that's the best idea. You've probably seen the shorts of the ST180. Again, I can't tell you much about that because there's videos coming up about that. And the black A3, I think I told you before, it's not my car. We were really struggling with a wing for this. Audis are really difficult to get parts for. We were struggling with a wing, but we've got one here now. So that will be done and gone. And I don't think I'll be doing any videos on it, I don't think, anyway. It's just been a bit of a tidy up job. It's not a crashed car. They bumped it themselves, wanted to clean it up and get it sold. So that's really it. Not much. Oh, the Vitara. You haven't seen the Vitara? I'm just really, again, I've only just picked up this Vitara. It's turquoise. I know it looks a bit bluey in camera. It's got side damage, pair of doors. I just haven't bit the bullet on buying 2 doors yet, because again, over the Christmas period, with deliveries and stuff, I don't know where I am. I don't really want to have deliveries turned up at my house and I'm not there and having to deal with it. It's a bit difficult over Christmas, so everything's at a bit of a standstill. Today for me is Christmas Eve, by the way, it's not Christmas Day. So that's really it. So what I've done, obviously you'll realise it's been a bit quiet last few weeks. I've been saving up a few videos so that you've got, well, I've saved up 4 videos basically to put out between Christmas and New Year, and it's basically going to be 26th, 27th, 28th and 29th. There's 4 videos there, 1 each day. Trickles you over, because I know what it's like, you know. I'm exactly the same. I get itchy feet, I get a bit bored once I've been in for so long, especially if you're at the in-laws or you're around seeing family and stuff like that, or they've got family at your house. I need stuff to entertain me, you know, to keep me busy. So yeah, there's 4 videos there. I won't tell you what they are because I don't want to spoil the fun, but I hope you enjoy them. And yeah, here's to New Year. Thank you again as always, and I'll see you next year.